local area, to be fair. I'm trying to find somewhere that I've found that's recommended for a parking spot in a nice little area, somewhere nice enough to leave the van. So I'm half a mile away, and this is looking exactly like where I would like to leave it, to be fair. It looks really nice around here. Just grabbed the bike out and chucked it there because I need to go right up to the wall, but I should fit perfectly in here. This is a residential area, so I'm trying to just move quickly and quietly and just get parked up and get on my way, basically. Just leave the van. I don't want to be sat around camping out, you know. I'm just in a residential area. It's just proper stealth camping. Just behind a supermarket. That's a supermarket there. Basically, I'm at the back doors of the supermarket. Need to make sure they're not unloading at the back of the supermarket right outside my door. When I get out, I can't really see. Bloody hot out there, man. Just thought I'd go round the block, have a little look what the local area's like. Just a really peaceful little area, to be honest. The spot's down that road, just by this little supermarket. Quite a little area, so yeah. There's a coffee shop I want to go to, which is by the beach. Haarlem is east and the beach is west, but it's only like 2 or 3 miles each way, so I'm going to go to the beach and then ride all the way back into Haarlem. But yeah, it's sunny today, so let's go. Well, I say the beach, I'm in Holland, it's the coast. Let's go and see what's there. Proper local bit of Holland, just riding across the country. Very lovely. We're like 2.8 miles from where I'm going, and this trail is like 2.2 miles long. It's like a beach, which is pretty sick. We're just heading for the coast now for the next 2.5 miles. We're just on this trail going through this like nature reserve. Nice. Lovely little bit of beach, lovely palm tree, lovely apartment block overlooking the beach. Bloody lovely. Get up.
önüme geçerken ne kadar mesafe.
I snuck in the van and forgot to film it. Just stay here and keep quiet. I've done the same thing again. I made my food and got to the point where it was finished. Realised I hadn't filmed any of it. It's not even 9 o'clock and I'm happily wasted back at the van. I have been out since like 9 o'clock this morning though. So, yeah. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. He's just going. There's a guy doing a delivery to the back of the supermarket, which is right there. So I'm trapped here. As soon as I got out of the van, there was some local guy fucking washing his shoes off in a drain like something. Just like walked past the van to go use the drain just along the way, but he didn't really look at me weird or say anything. It's not that I think people will say anything, but they might. I just like to be inconspicuous. Like, yeah, I just don't want people to know what I'm doing. So yeah, up in the morning, just gonna nip back into Haarlem. I'm going to the campsite in Amsterdam today. We can't check in till 1, so I'm just gonna go to a coffee shop for a couple of hours in Haarlem and then go check in the Amsterdam campsite. Then we're not stealth camping, then we can just leave the van and chill out for a few days. These local little areas are gorgeous. They must be expensive. Hey, go. There you go. Hey, good kitty. Just have to roll the van forward a metre, get the bike in. It's pretty quiet around here. So yeah, bike in. Come on, girl. Right, let's get out of here. No way. I only just looked at the road I've stayed on. My friend passed away at Christmas. His name was Falk. That's amazing. If you did watch this far, thanks for watching. Thanks Falkland Street for letting us stay. I found that place on Park for Night. So
Turn right onto Anthony Fockelin, then turn left.
later. See you on the next one.